What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't uploaded in, I think, about a month, but we are here today for a very special announcement slash unboxing. I have just got myself my very first trail truck. The Vaterra k10 acender. I've wanted one of these for a very long time. Ever since I saw it, I wanted it. The only thing I don't like about it, the yellow. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But everything else, I love. So, and I wasn't going to get the Ford because I don't like Ford. So, I really have nothing else to say. I know there's people who read the box, incredible detail, and easy to customize. Well, it better be easy to customize because that's what I do. That's a lot of reading. I don't usually read the box. I usually just jump right in. So that is what we are gonna do. Alright, I'm gonna set the tripod up. Oh wait, I have one more announcement. I have a camera now. I'm just not using it yet because my computer needs to be reset and I need to install it, editing software and stuff. So that's why I'm still using my phone, but I am going to set up my tripod and we are going to get into it. Alright, got you set up on the tripod and I got my safety scissors here and I'm going to cut the seal. There we go, there's one. Flip it upside down. Not very sharp, because they're safety scissors. Alright, are you ready to see this beast? Here we go. Ooh. Ooh, it's better than I thought it would be. Ooh. Oh my god. Wow. I've wanted a trail truck for a very long time. Alright. Anything in here? Nope. Not bad. Alright. Set that right there for a second. Got the manual here. Ooh, and some stickers. Nice. Alright. I will try to read this, but, again, I don't read. I just do. I'm guessing the remote would be in here. And I do have a battery coming. It's not here yet. Should be here by Wednesday. Today is Monday, March 1st. Ooh. Don't feel too bad. I do have a better one of these. It's the same remote. It's older, but it's a lot better. It's not all plastic. So, yeah. I probably won't use this. I will probably use my other Spectrum remote. Because this one, it feels nice, but it's all plastic. So, I'm not too crazy about the remote. But, I do have another one I can use. So, anything else here? Nope. I swear it came with batteries for the remote. Maybe it's underneath the truck. Alright. Okay. Now, wait. This is going to be very satisfying. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's cut these zip ties off with my safety scissors. I have cut zip ties with these scissors before, so should be able to cut it. You know what? Cardboard. There's the batteries. Got a bind plug in there. Wrenches. Ooh! Can always use... Wait. Can always use these Allen keys. I break those things all the time. It's a long story. Alright. Now let's try to cut the zip tie off with safety scissors. That's all I have, okay? I lost my good scissors. And I'm not in the workshop right now, so... I thought this would be easier. It's not. Not easy at all. Alright. I'll be right back. I'm going to get a pair of zip tie clippers. Alright, I have my handy dandy zip tie clippers here. So I can actually clip the zip tie off. There we go. That was easier. Flip her back. I do like the suspension on this thing. It is very nice. And this wheel here is actually, you can take this off, and you can use this. This is an actual functional wheel. See, it's got the hex on the back. You can actually use this. And the grip doesn't feel the best. Like, they're not real sticky tires, but they'll do the job for now until I start upgrading this thing. Am I going the right way? Yes. Alright, now let's take the body off. We got 2 pins up here, and you flip it over, and you guys see that? You got 2 pins on the bottom. There we go. And there we go. There's the 2 pins. We'll flip it back over. And there is what underneath looks like. Right. It's got a 35 turn brushed motor. It has locked diffs. That's what the plug looks like. I think it's a Metal Gear servo. Right? I think it's all Metal Gear servo. And are these drive shafts metal? No, but they do look pretty beefy. So must if I break it, I must be doing some pretty serious rock crawling. I don't plan on doing any like serious rock crawling, but if you guys want to see that, leave it in the comments below, because I will do whatever. I plan on putting a sound kit on it eventually, light kit, and whatever else. I am keeping it brushed because it's a trail truck. It's not a speed build. These shocks, I will probably get like better shocks, like Proline or something like that. I know they're expensive, but I want good shocks. Scale shocks. And if you notice, the battery tray moves with the front axle. They call it a floating battery tray. So that is pretty much it for this thing for right now. Here you got your your receiver box, your USB. That's pretty much it for right now. I will do another video on this when I get the battery and it starts to warm up, because right now here in New York we are in the middle of a snowstorm. Well, we have a snowstorm on the way, which I don't believe that it's actually coming. I don't think it's actually going to hit us. They say Monday, but I don't think we're going to get anything. So I will work on getting my camera set up, and next video you see of this thing will be on my new camera, which quality might not be the best because it's one of those Walmart cameras, but it was pretty expensive, so it better have good quality. It says HD, so it better be good quality. So I'm going to leave this video here. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, whatever. And I will see you guys in the next video when we start to actually run this thing. Oh, I just realized. This right here, aluminum. It's not plastic. That's aluminum. And you can actually take this back part off if you want to like switch the body to something different. So that's pretty nice. Actually, I might do that. I'm gonna apply some stickers to this thing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.